Okay, we're going to do the inaugural test run here. I guess the first thing we should find out is if it floats. Fingers crossed. And it floats. Uh-oh. Okay, so now we're going to do a test after our first trial run to actually see if the motors are going the correct direction. And as you see, there's quite a bit of extra wire going to the motors here, and that's causing part of the trouble I have with noise. So I'll probably trim those down as well. So this is how I'm going to check for the propeller, see if they're going the right direction. And I'm going to push the forward. So as you see, the flames actually pulled towards each of these. Okay, we're going to test. I got the motor swapped, and I'm going to push the forward button, and ideally what we want to happen is when we push forward button, this top one here, we want air to come back to the aft of the boat, and that will cause a force that pushes the boat forward, and we want the opposite to happen. So when we push the reverse, so forward button here.
So it pushes it away, and it blows it out. You can see it's a little slightly off-centered because the boat's turning. So there's reverse, and now it should pull the flame towards the propeller, which it is. And this one's pulling it towards the propeller too, so it's almost doing a better job there. Okay, now let's see what our right side looks like. So our right side is actually pulling air towards, and when we go left, it's pushing air back towards me.
Now ideally you'd want just push forward, and the propellers would come on, and you let go of the push forward and they'll turn off, but that does not seem to be the case. I think it's just staying in the last mode that it receives. You'll notice these capacitors. These are to prevent noise as well coming back into the motor driver here. This is the 5-volt regulator. This is the decoder. This little chip here is the receiver. This is obviously an antenna for the receiver. I thank you for watching, and I wish you the best of luck with your own build.
La